WallCandy sent these adhesive wall hooks to me, and I wanted to try them as it seems like such an easy way to organize a space without a lot of effort. When I opened the box, I saw that they sent me 2 different styles, which was really nice. For this video, I'm using the Ombre set, and I think these are really cute. They have a little more style than a lot of basic hooks, which I appreciate, especially if you're putting them somewhere visible in your home. What stands out most to me is how easy they are to use. You can see the adhesive backing and it is sticky on both sides, so there's no need for tools or nails or anything complicated. Once you place it where you want it, you just hold it there for about 10 seconds so it can stick securely. You can see how strong the hold is. They're designed to hold up to about 3 pounds each, so they're a nice option for lightweight items such as a hand towel, a purse, or a backpack in the closet, or maybe even keys by the back door. They don't feel bulky or out of place, and that makes them easy to use in different areas of your home. Another thing I appreciate is that they're really easy to remove too, which is always good to see with adhesive products. To take them off, you first slide the hook up and off before pulling down on the adhesive, which makes the removal process really simple. Overall, these hooks are easy to use, they look nice, and it was also fun to see the different styles WallCandy included.